Assalamu alaikum. This is Samra Farooq, roll number EP1770-134, fourth prof evening. Today, topic of my assignment is tuberculosis and subtopic is diagnosis of tuberculosis. First of all, we have to know what is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is diagnosed by finding Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria in a clinical specimen taken from the patient. A complete medical evaluation for tuberculosis must include a medical history, physical examination, chest x-ray, microbiological examination in which sputum or any other appropriate sample testing is included. It also includes a tuberculin skin test, scans, x-rays and surgical biopsy. Diagnosis and testing of tuberculosis. There are two kinds of tests which are used to diagnose tuberculosis. First is tuberculosis skin test and second is tuberculosis blood test. A positive tuberculosis skin test or blood test only tells that a person has been infected with TB or not. It does not tell whether the infection is latent or progressive. For this we have to done further tests such as chest x-ray and sample of sputum. Who should be tested for TB? Certain people should be tested for TB infection because they are at high risk for being infected with TB bacteria, including the individuals who spend time with someone who has TB disease or is from a country where TB disease is common. People who live or work in high-risk settings, for example, correctional facilities, long-term care facilities or nursing homes and homeless shelters. Healthcare workers, infant, children, people with HIV infection and babies, young children or people who inject illegal drugs and individuals which have other disease because of which their immune system is weak, elderly people, they are high risk for TB bacteria. Now, the procedure for TB skin test. In this, an individual is injected with fluid called tuberculin into the skin on the lower part of the arm. A person given the tuberculin skin test must return within 48 to 72 hours to have a trained healthcare worker look for a reaction on the arm. The result depends on the size of the raised hard area or swelling. Now come the readings of the skin test. Positive skin test. This means that the person's body was infected with TB bacteria. Additional tests are further performed to determine either the tuberculosis is latent or progressive, which includes chest x-rays and sputum test. A negative skin test. This means that person body did not react to the test and that latent TB infection or TB disease is not likely to occur. There is no problem in repeating a TB skin test, but we make sure to the test should be performed in different location on the body. The TB skin test is preferred TB test for children under the age of 5. There is a complication for the individual which are being tested in BCG vaccinated person. In these kind of individuals who are previously vaccinated with BCG may receive a TB skin test or test for TB infection. Vaccination with BCG may cause a false positive reaction to a TB skin test. A positive reaction to TB skin test may be due to BCG vaccine itself or due to infection with TB bacteria. TB blood test, IgRAs, unlike the TB skin test, are not affected by prior BCG vaccination